Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Look up a factory farm video, like Farm to Fridge on YouTube. Crash, crash, crash. Boom, 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 boom. Eggs are one of the cruelest. Baby male chicks, they grind up alive because they won't lay eggs or grow big enough, fast enough for cooked flesh. Let's get their point of view. And females are debeaked and stuffed in tiny, cruel cages for life, bred to lay so many eggs it destroys their body, nearly one per day. Leave animals alone is the best thing you can do. Vegan. So be a bird feeder, not a bird eater, especially in the cold winter. But don't feed them bread, white bread especially. It's bad for them. Hey, little cutie. I don't want them getting too close to me. Trusting people too much. Oh, there's a little birdie over there. Hey, little cuties. Let's follow one of them. Look at you, little cutie. Now, when they bob their head, it's to keep it still, actually. It's a very unique feature of them. I did test on treadmill, and they don't need to bob their head. Oh, look at that cute pigeon. Any doves here? I see a little bird. So be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Organic saves wildlife too from being poisoned, as well as ourselves. It's humans that have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Child-free, organic, vegan, smaller families, public transit in cities over suburban sprawl and deforestation, personal cars, all safe. Play that back if you didn't catch it all, it's very important. Share if you care. Bye-bye, birdies. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Look up Shelter Hell and Factory Farms. Meat.org, meatvideo.com. Woo! Scared from all the noises. Or me abruptly moving.